Hello students, welcome back to e-learning edu. As we have learned in the previous class about the periodic table, there will be decreasing in the atomic size across the period. That is, from moving left to right across the period, the atomic size decreases. What is the reason for this? Please comment in the comment section what the reason for the decreasing atomic size, and you might have learned it in the previous classes. So now let us move on to the group. That is, on moving from top to bottom down the group, what happens? Let us see this case by taking example as well. From top to bottom around a group, that is, when we move from top to bottom around a group, this is our modern periodic table which was founded by Henry Moseley, and you know that this contains periods as well as a group, and we have observed the trends in the atomic size across the period. That is, the atomic size decreases across the period. Now let us see what happens when we move down the group. That is, let us consider an example from hydrogen to francium, and here on moving down the group, as you can see, the atomic number of hydrogen is 1, lithium 3, sodium 11, potassium 19, rubidium rubidium it is 37, cesium 55, and francium is 87. So here we can see when you start writing the electronic configuration, you will be observing that the electrons the shells gets added. That is, new shells added gets added on moving down the group, and so when the new shells are added, so there will be, as you have seen in the period, a similar case here, there will be an increase in the number of atom. That is, the number of atoms will be increased, and you know that the atomic number is equal to number of proton, and when the atomic number increases, the number of proton also will be increased, and on increasing the number of proton, that is, the charge on the nucleus will be increased to the outermost shell. Suppose we can take to the hydrogen. Again, we can take example hydrogen. This is our hydrogen, and this is the electron. So this is and here this is added to the first shell. And now let us take lithium. It is 2 and 1. So you know that the number of shell, that is, this happens, that is, number of shell gets increased. As you have seen in the picture, the number of shells will be increased on moving down the group, and this takes place to all the groups. This is applicable to all the groups in the periodic table. That is, number of shells increases. As a result of the increase in the number of shell, the nucleus, that is, there will be charge on the nucleus, and the charge on the nucleus will be increased, but what happens here is that even though the charge on the nucleus is increased, the number of shell is also increased, and this overweighs the increased nuclear charge, and the increased nuclear charge is overweight by the number of shell, and so the distance between nucleus and outermost shell will be increased. So what happens is that atomic size increases. So we can directly say that atomic size increases on moving from bottom to top, from top to bottom down the group. That is, on moving down the group, atomic size increases, and on moving from left to right, atomic size decreases. This is what is happening. So I hope by now you are very much clear and thorough with the topic. That is a trend in modern periodic table. Atomic size decreases across a period and increases down the group, which is very important and very easy topic. So students, please like and subscribe my channel and share it with your friends.